After years of abandonment, we finally found this legendary 1989 Porsche 911 Carrera 4 Coupe. Time has not been kind to it. The journey to restoration begins now. With the Porsche safely secured, we're heading to the workshop, where every damaged part will be restored step by step.
All right, the dollies are set.
Straps secured on the front. Start the winch slowly, keep the tension steady. We've finally arrived at the workshop. From this point forward, every repair will be carried out with precision. A complete inspection helps us understand the full extent of the damage. Every measurement, every crack, and every rusted component is documented. Every angle tells the same story. Heavy corrosion, deep dents, broken components, and decades of neglect have left this Porsche in critical condition. Now we can finally see what years of neglect have hidden underneath. The underbody often reveals the most serious structural damage. The damage is even worse underneath. Almost every mechanical system will need to be rebuilt or replaced. The real restoration starts now. Before we can repair anything, we need to remove decades of dirt and contamination. Cleaning the car allows us to uncover attachments. The mechanical systems are restored, but the body still carries decades of damage. Every dent is carefully repaired.
Every repaired panel brings the Porsche one step closer to its original form. Precision now will create a flawless finish later.
A deep foam treatment loosens stubborn dirt without causing additional damage. Every inch of the Porsche is cleaned carefully before disassembly begins. Cleaning the engine bay helps us identify damaged components and prepares the engine for complete removal and restoration.
Look at the corrosion here on the rocker panel. Yeah, that's significant. We need a tag for that section.
Most of the lighting system has been destroyed by age and corrosion. Every component must be removed before repairs can begin. With the inspection complete, disassembly begins. Every damaged part is removed carefully, labeled, and stored to ensure an accurate restoration later. Large body panels require extra care during removal. Even damaged parts can often be repaired if they're handled correctly. Removing the doors gives us complete access to the body shell. Every part will be restored individually before final assembly.
We need to treat the structural corrosion first. I'm setting up the electrolysis tank now.
With the car completely stripped, rust removal can finally begin. Every layer of corrosion must be removed before any repairs can be made. Hidden rust around the roof and pillars can weaken the entire structure. Every section must be cleaned back to solid metal. Strong rocker panels are essential for the car's structural integrity. Each replacement is carefully fitted and welded to factory standards. With the damaged metal removed, the first new structural panel is welded into place. Every weld follows the original factory specifications to restore the Porsche's strength. Before rebuilding continues, the chassis must be perfectly straight. Even the smallest misalignment can affect the car's performance and safety. The foundation is finally taking shape. Although the Porsche still looks heavily damaged, its structure is becoming stronger with every repair. Years of moisture destroyed the wheel arches. Rebuilding these sections restores both the strength and the original shape of the Porsche. With the dashboard removed, we can finally access the electrical system and inspect the hidden corrosion behind the cockpit. Labeling every wire now prevents mistakes during reassembly. Organization is one of the most important parts of a professional restoration. The interior has suffered just as much as the exterior. Every component must be removed so the cabin and floor can be completely restored. The heart of the Porsche is about to come out. Removing the engine gives us access to restore every mechanical component in detail. The engine is finally out. Now the restoration enters one of the most detailed and rewarding stages, bringing the mechanical heart of this Porsche back to life. Years of neglect have left heavy wear inside the engine. Every internal component is measured to determine whether it can be restored or must be replaced. With the engine safely removed, every component is carefully disassembled. Each part is inspected, cleaned, and prepared for a complete mechanical restoration. The engine block forms the foundation of the entire powertrain. Precision and accuracy are critical at every step of the rebuilding process. The heart of the Porsche begins beating again. With every new component installed, the engine moves one step closer to returning to the car. Tensions. A high-performance sports car depends on a precise suspension system. Every worn component is restored to ensure the Porsche drives. Every reusable engine component is thoroughly cleaned to remove decades of grease, sludge, and corrosion before rebuilding begins. Every braking component must perform perfectly. Safety is just as important as performance during this restoration. The rear suspension is rebuilt with the same attention to detail, restoring both stability and handling to this classic Porsche. Tensions. A high-performance sports car depends on a precise suspension system. Every worn component is restored to ensure the Porsche drives. Before primer, every surface is inspected under bright lighting. Even the smallest imperfection must be corrected. Body filler isn't used to hide damage. It's used to create perfectly smooth surfaces after the metal has been properly repaired. Every panel is sanded by hand and machine to create a perfectly smooth surface. This is one of the most important steps before primer can be applied. A perfectly restored steering system brings back the precise handling that made the Porsche 911 legendary. Restoring the iconic Porsche fenders requires patience and precision. Every curve must match the original factory shape. Before the first coat of paint is applied, every surface must be perfectly clean. Even a single dust particle can affect the final finish. The epoxy primer seals the repaired metal, prevents future corrosion, and creates the perfect foundation for the final paint. Even after priming, every panel is sanded again to achieve a perfectly flat surface. The final paint deserves a flawless foundation. Proper masking protects every restored component and ensures a clean, professional finish during the painting process.
For the first time in decades, the Porsche begins to regain its original color. The transformation has officially begun.
Every paint mixture is measured with precision to recreate the Porsche's original racing yellow finish with black accents.
Multiple coats create depth, consistency, and a flawless finish. Patience is the secret to professional quality paint.
The signature black accents complete the classic Porsche color scheme. One final protective finish still remains before this masterpiece truly comes to life.
Every final pass must be perfect. This glossy finish will define the appearance of the entire restoration.
The clear coat protects the new paint and creates the deep gloss that will preserve this Porsche for years to come. The curing process hardens the paint, ensuring maximum durability and a factory-quality finish. Wet sanding removes tiny imperfections and prepares the surface for a flawless mirror polish. Every trim piece is restored to factory condition, preserving the authentic Porsche identity. This polishing stage transforms the fresh paint into a flawless mirror finish worthy of a classic Porsche. A perfectly aligned exhaust system ensures the Porsche delivers both performance and its iconic sound. Every system is checked one final time before the Porsche is ready for detailing and its grand reveal. The heart of the Porsche returns to its rightful place. After months of restoration, the engine is finally reunited with the car. The moment we've been waiting for has arrived. After countless hours of work, the Porsche comes back to life. Every piece of glass is installed with precision, completing the Porsche's weather-tight body. Every detail has been inspected. The Porsche is now ready to leave the workshop and begin its new life. Every electrical system is tested to ensure flawless operation before the first engine start. Even the areas hidden from view have been restored to the highest standard.
The details are flawless. Ready for the client. From a forgotten wreck to a fully restored masterpiece, this Porsche is finally ready to leave the workshop and return to the road.
Every detail has been restored with precision, bringing this iconic German sports car back to factory condition. The interior is now as refined as the exterior, completing the restoration of this timeless German sports car. Every final detail is completed to ensure the Porsche looks as stunning as it performs. From an abandoned wreck to a showroom quality restoration, the journey is complete.
The rebuilt flat-six engine delivers the unmistakable sound that has defined generations of Porsche performance.
Every mechanical component has been rebuilt to deliver the performance this legendary Porsche deserves. Every bolt, every panel, and every detail tells the story of a complete restoration. Every angle reflects the dedication poured into this restoration. This restoration represents patience, precision, teamwork, and respect for an automotive icon.
Every inspection is complete, every system has passed, the restoration is officially finished.
After months of dedication, the Porsche finally leaves the workshop under its own power. A forgotten classic has become a masterpiece once again. True craftsmanship is found in the smallest details. The transformation is complete. Every restored detail now comes together as one timeless masterpiece. Its restoration is complete, but a new journey is just beginning.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible restoration journey. From an abandoned wreck to a fully restored German masterpiece,